What is Panchakarma in Ayurveda? Some people think Abhyanga and Shirodhara are Panchakarma, but they are Purva Karma, just preparatory procedures, not Panchakarma. Panchakarma originated in ancient India over 5,000 years ago as a fundamental Ayurvedic detoxification and rejuvenation therapy. It is deeply rooted in the Vedic tradition and systematically described in classical texts such as the Charaka Samhita, Shusruta Samhita, and Ashtanga Hridayam. These texts provide the scientific and clinical framework for its practice. The term Panchakarma means 5 actions. These 5 therapeutic procedures are Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Nasya, and Rakta Moksha. The Basti, the medicated enema, is considered the most powerful procedure for Vata disorders and systemic balance. These procedures are designed to eliminate accumulated toxins and restore the balance of the 3 doshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Lord Dhanvantari, regarded as the father of Ayurveda, is traditionally associated with the Panchakarma. He is often depicted holding a leech, symbolizing the ancient practice of Rakta Moksha. The purpose of Panchakarma is not just detoxification but also disease prevention, rejuvenation, and maintenance the health often performed in accordance with seasonal changes. While Panchakarma originated in India, the tradition has been carefully preserved and practiced in regions such as Kerala, which is considered a major center for authentic Panchakarma therapies. Today, Panchakarma has evolved to incorporate modern safety standards and clinical monitoring while maintaining its traditional foundation of purifying the body, mind, and consciousness. When done with the proper indication, the preparation Purva Karma, main procedure Pradhana Karma, and post-care Paschat Karma. These therapies cleanse, restore balance, and support long-term rejuvenation. Health is not a luxury. It is your foundations. Thank you for listening. Take care.